been back.
The Jowai unit of the Khasi Authors Society today celebrated its 182nd anniversary of Thomas Jones Day at Thomas Jones Synod College, Jowai, honouring the father of Khasi alphabet who played a crucial role in developing the script of the Khasi language. To commemorate the occasion, 2 sessions were conducted for discussing on the topics Usinyang u Thomas Jones Shakatho Qatar by President KAS Dr. DRL Nonglad and Usinyang u Thomas Jones Shaka Imlang Saalang by Reverend H.C.T. Sumer. Thomas Jones Day is celebrated as a reminder of the significant contribution made by Thomas Jones in shaping the linguistic and cultural landscape of the community. Senior Executive Secretary KJP Synod Mi'ngi Reverend K. Pariat graced the program as the chief guest in the presence of President of KAS Shillong Dr. DRL Nonglad, President Thomas Jones Synod College Dr. D.G. Lingdo and others.